Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sudden Wealth. I do hope you're having a wonderful day. If you do enjoy the content, please consider dropping that like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your support. Now, I did a series around stock, bonds, commodities, and crypto was at last. And I wanted to discuss why I do believe crypto is the best way for the average people to actually achieve generational wealth. But I'm not gonna be like other people. So, oh yeah, my God, if you buy anything and everything's gonna go up, or if you buy Bitcoin, it's gonna go to $5 million a coin. I'm not gonna do any of that kind of crap because I think that's actually disingenuous and I think it's actually quite dishonest or just ignorant, in my opinion. So I've had experience with all the instruments you can imagine. I know how they work. I know the uh, the purpose of each of them, and I do think crypto is the best for the average person in order to, if their goal is to achieve generational wealth. What is the problem? Crypto has two problems. Number one, which coin? In the past, it used to be extremely easy. You would go to the top 20, you'd buy them all, and you'd do very well. So it was extremely easy. But now you have 20 coins coming out per day. So which one is it? That's why I had another series. If you go to my playlists, you'll see the basics of crypto and how to find the next ecosystem crypto gem, which exactly looks into detail on each of the things that you need to see in order to maximize probability that you're choosing a successful ecosystem. Again, I'm not here to tell you what to buy, what to sell. That's not my purpose. If you want that, you have plenty of financial advisors and planners and online or in presence, so you can go and have fun with them. I'm just recording my journey. That's all that I'm doing. And I don't want to know what you're doing. I don't care. You can call me an idiot. You can call me a genius. To me, it's all the same. I'm not here to be a leader of a big cult or anything like that. So, for that, there are plenty of channels who do that. I'm not here to sell you stuff. I'm not here to put you in private Discord so you can have the hottest tips in the next crypto or the next stock. Again, unfortunately, you have too many of those channels to go pick and choose from. Now, crypto is a world where things can give you returns which shouldn't be possible, but after seeing it so often, you kind of say, well, I mean, I've seen this happening so often that what are we talking about here? For example, BNB came out in 2020. In under a year, it went up 6,000 fold, meaning each dollar turned into $6,000. Ethereum, from bottom to top, went up almost 15,000 fold. Bitcoin went up 6.9 million fold, meaning every euro in 2009 turned into 6.9 million euros or $6.9 million or yen or whatever you're looking at. And X also went up 10,000 fold within 600 something days, which is under 2 years. And now you had Pepe, which went up something like 200,000 fold in a month. Now, so all these kind of returns are actually possible. Problem with Bitcoin and Ethereum is that they're becoming too heavy to carry. So when people tell you about, oh yeah, Bitcoin is going to go up 50-fold, yeah, I don't think so. Or it will take many years to do that. So the time where Bitcoin would shine, going up thousands of fold, etc., I think it's behind them. And you can see that, there are some people who buy like $1 billion in Bitcoin and the price barely moves. So the question becomes, okay, if 1 billion barely moves the price, then what kind of economic power do you need here to move this thing higher in a meaningful way, right? So that's the question behind it. But of course, the Bitcoin maxis will tell you that Bitcoin was going to go to 3 million per coin in the next bull cycle. I mean, look, anything is possible. I hope so. Look, don't get me wrong. My God, if Bitcoin would go to 3 million a coin, oh boy, there's going to be a huge party here at the castle. But I'm also a realist, right? So I'm not here in the mood to sell pipe dreams and try to pump my bags indirectly. So that's not the point. So, but crypto is the only space where, with not that much money, you can actually become a millionaire. That has happened um, many times. What is the problem with it? Most people feel the urge of trading, and traders in crypto get even worse than the stock market, get completely destroyed. And there are a lot of bad projects, so a lot of rug pulls, they outright steal your money. It's as simple as that. And they have something that most people cannot tolerate, which is the price you pay for the highest performing asset in the history of mankind is called volatility. But I'm not talking about stock market volatility, where once every 10 years it goes down 50, 60%. No. I'm talking about 95% drops in under a year. You see, people forget. Bitcoin went down from 30 to $2. That's a 94% crash. Ethereum went from 1,000 something dollars to $88. That's a 95% crash. Now, if you are in the crypto space, you understand that Bitcoin drops. This cycle was a bit different, but drops 80, 85%. Ethereum drops 90, 95%. And the altcoins drop 95% plus. And many of them hit an all-time high in one cycle and never come back. Actually, the majority of them. And you may know that this is going to happen, but experiencing it's very tough. To see your portfolio go down 95%, and then it takes, 3 years to kind of recover, that is very painful. And then, unfortunately, people go beyond their way buying crypto, and then they leverage themselves with mortgages. They put everything they have on crypto, and then they cannot wait for 3 years. So that is the problem. Like, that's why so many people get destroyed. Then they leave their money in exchanges, then the exchange goes bankrupt, and they lose all their crypto. I mean, that's why in the recovery year, one of my first sections in the videos that I made was the crypto basics, also security. Not your keys, not your coins. How to safely protect your crypto. Understand the levels of volatility that we are involved here. But when you do that and you pick an asset with a strong community, with excellent tokenomics, with excellent with an excellent code, with an excellent founder, and with an organic growth, the sky is the limit. And again, there is something called asymmetric risk, which most people don't understand, which is if you put $1,000. So, for example, this is how I thought. Okay, if I put $1,000 on something and I lose it, will my life be dramatically changed? No. But if I put $1,000 and I catch one of those that go up 500-fold, then my life really changes. See what I mean? So that is called, in my opinion, asymmetric risk. So that's why I do believe spending the time to find out the best crypto investments will be more productive than the stock market. So, for example, the S&P doubles every 14 years or something. In crypto, a doubling happens, if you buy it in the right week. So, but am I trying to tell you should go all in crypto? But no, I'm not trying to give you any kind of financial advice. I'm trying to say that this is the reason why I believe crypto is the best asset class to invest to create generation wealth. But it's just me. What do I know, right? So please don't come, oh my God, I saw your video and then I went all in crypto and I lost everything. No, I'm not saying that. Okay, I mean, I spent an immeasurable amount of hours. I mean, I don't even know. You guys should say, I mean, this guy should get a life of the amount of hours I spent looking into this. And I'm still not 100% sure I made the right decision. So, again, I'm not here to tell you the next 100x coin in the next 6 months. That's not me, okay? But I can tell you what I'm looking for in terms of certain characteristics of an ecosystem to fulfill my, let's say, checklist in order to try and become very successful. And I'm just simply broadcasting my journey. So thank you very much, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.